beautiful.
Hikebytes is in Palm Springs today, and we're headed to the stone pools. Waited for the right conditions, and they all lined up. We took the back route from Marietta, and the views were gorgeous. We started at the Palm Canyon Trail at the trading post, and this is where the journey begins. The Palm Canyon Trail leads you through gorgeous palm trees, shade, plenty of activities, and beauty. It doesn't take long to enter the canyon and see the beautiful views. I think the palm trees make it very mysterious and feels ancient. We loved it here, and the path to get to the stone pools was coming up. But there's a few things I want to share with you before we get there. There is a side canyon and a tributary before you get to the Stone Pools Junction. And at that point, you can enter the most beautiful scenery I've ever seen in Palm Springs. But we're going to share that at the end of the video. So join us on this journey and take a walk with us. We highly recommend using AllTrails. They do have trail markers, but none that lead to the stone pools.
So we're just about to an important junction, so we'll show you when we get there. And we've been wanting to go to the stone pools for probably a year and a half, and their conditions hasn't matched. So today they match, and can't wait to show you guys. Let's go check them out.
At this junction, take the Palm Canyon Trail up and out of the canyon to some of the most breathtaking views we've ever seen in Palm Springs.
Oh, look at that, Heidi.
I know. That's got to be San Jacinto.
Yeah, we'll be hitting that up soon, guys. Couldn't ask for a better day. It's gonna be about 70.
Once you leave the canyon, it's 1.9 miles to get to the stone pool with no cover, complete sun exposure, and it's all inclined for about 900 to 1,000 elevation gain. Be prepared. This trail leading to the stone pools was breathtaking. We had snow in the mountains, everything was turning green and starting to bloom.
Okay guys, we're huffing our ways to the stone pools, and we brought our friend Shauna. We've known for probably a decade and a half, but she has not been to the trails for about 4 years. So she's going to give a few thoughts about how this feels and maybe some pointers for a first timer or someone who's been off the trail. So what's your advice, Shauna?
Go for it.
I would definitely recommend, if this is the first time you're going on a hike or it's been a long time, bring electrolytes. That's my big fail for today. I only brought water, which is great, and I'm thankful for it, but I didn't bring electrolytes. Walk at your own pace. It's a journey, not a sprint to get to where you need to be. Stop and stretch. That's helped me tremendously today. But I think the blessing through this whole thing for me is the metaphors that I got on this hike. I've wandered in my life for a while, and I wanted to go on this hike, and it's like a cleanse, leaving what doesn't serve you in the past and looking forward to what's ahead. I can't wait to see these falls. Do they exist? Are they really there? Are they dragging me through this desert
this work, it better be.
to leave me? I doubt it. I love them too much. But if you're thinking about doing it, I highly encourage you. Get up, get moving, but grab your electrolytes.
Absolutely. Okay, important junction. You're going to see all these trail signs pointing every which way but where you need to go. We're going to take the Indian Potero Trail, but we're not going to take it all the way. It says 2.25 miles, but that's not the stone pools. Maybe less than a quarter mile and you'll be there. So you just go straight.
These are the mean ones.
Yeah, stay away from these. Well, we found our potassium in these protein bars. What are they, barbells? Didn't know it, so it's going to help us. This is kind of the approach to the rock pools. You cannot miss it. If you have the AllTrails app on, it literally shows you a hook that leads you down to the rock pool. Can't miss it. So we're heading down. We'll give you a look when we get over the view. When you come down the hill after that right hook, there's a sign that points stone pools to the right, but I'm going to show you. The trail continues, but the stone pools are to the right. So we're going to go this way, where Shauna and Heidi are coming down, and go to the right, which is that way. But I will give you this advice. You're in the full direct sun for at least 1.5 miles, and it's a lot further and harder than you think because it's all incline.
The casual walk to the stone pools was majestic, and because of the rain and the snow on the mountains, the snow melt will continue to feed this for several months. Ideal season to come. Let me show you some of the landscape and the pools. Let's take you underneath as well. The water continues to leak into the landscape, and it was very beautiful. As I continued my exploring, I noticed that Heidi and Shauna had found the perfect beach chair honed right into the rock. It was quite beautiful and unique. You'll see it here in a minute. I was really fascinated with this deep rock pool, but it looked a little scary with the shade from the overhang, but it is swimmable, probably 5 to 6 feet deep. And here's that wonderful stone chair. Great place to relax and maybe get some sun. I decided to walk upstream from the stone pools, and what I found was really beautiful. I found a cascade and some beautiful pools. Check it out.
It's a little rough back here, guys, to see the waterfalls. Be careful, you're gonna get wet to your waist. It's up to you to come back here. Enter at your own risk, but beautiful spot.
If anyone wants to see these cascades, this is where I climbed up and how I got behind it, right on this ledge. So we decided to make our way back, enjoy the scenery for 1.9 miles back to the canyon, and then enter that tributary that led to the most magical place in Palm Springs to this date that I've seen. Come join me as I explore the waterfalls, the pools, and beyond. You're gonna love it. I don't know about you, but this looks like a Palm Springs oasis that I've dreamed about. I couldn't believe how perfect it was. The way the stones were lined up, the way you could access the waterfall and the pool behind it. Honestly, it felt like a dream. Nothing quite like this place in Palm Springs. We have another video on the 5 Oasis hikes in Palm Springs where we feature other canyons, swim holes, and Oasis. You can click that link in our video description and watch it. It's actually one of our most popular videos. We really think you'll enjoy it. You'll see Tuckwitz, Murray Canyon, Andreas Canyon, and many others. There is actually a way to climb up this waterfall right up the main fall. It's a little tricky. You got to do a pull-up, then a push-up, but it is doable. Also, on the far right, if you go way over to the right, you can get over as well. I went right through the middle. It's actually quite fun, and it was safe for me, but be careful out there. It's come time to show you what's above the waterfall and beyond, and I'll tell you, someone who wants to go farther is going to find paradise. Well, let's get to it. Let me take you above the falls. The views from above the falls are priceless. If you can get up here, I highly recommend it. Look at this view.
I'm gonna go take a walk down here and see what I can find, guys. It looks beautiful. This is after the storm. Palm Springs, Palm Canyon. And we got beautiful waterfalls, swim holes, cascades. Wow. What a day of beauty. So I'm just traipsing back behind the waterfall, coming back, and this is what you see. I recommend taking that right turn off the Palm Canyon Trail into this tributary and side canyon. Much more beautiful than the stone pools. Save yourself that extra 4 miles of hiking and enjoy this. Wow, so pretty here.
After leaving this beautiful, majestic place, I decided to follow the tributary where it connected to the main creek in Palm Canyon. If you just follow it along, there's all kinds of swim holes, rock formations, and more beauty. I highly recommend it if you don't mind getting your shoes wet. I got a Hikebytes tip for you. You can go on the right side and there's another tributary with beautiful rock layers and a creek running through it. I really enjoyed this side. It was very quiet and peaceful and no one seemed to know about it. It was really an awesome find. Since I've been exploring and taking adventures to different areas, I'm always surprised if you just take a look 100 feet, 100 yards to the left or to the right. If you hear water or something looks interesting, what you find? This was a treasure, and I'm so glad I decided to peek and take a look at this side. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this beautiful Palm Springs Oasis getaway. Until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at Hikebytes. One bite at a time. See you on the next one.